Rahul Gandhi, sir, Rahul Gandhi tweeted against the tariff issue, sir, and he also slams PM Modi. How do you look at that, sir?
See, Rahul Gandhi is doing whatever is in the interest of the country. When there is a tariff problem, every farmer of this country will be affected. Every business of this country will be affected. So anything which has been decided, discussed, should be openly debated. That is what our leader Rahul Gandhi's desire is. He is the leader of the opposition. He is not allowed to speak on this issue also. On various international issues, he could have spoken. It is very unfortunate that the leader of the opposition has not been given an opportunity to discuss various subjects. So whatever Rahul Gandhi is doing is working in the interest of the country.
Sir, Union Minister Kumaraswamy also slams on Youth Congress protest in Bharat Mandapam, sir. How do you look at that?
It is his political way. This is our boys' political way. We will discuss with them. I don't know who has guided them to discuss later.
If you like this video, ಬೇಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಯೋಯೋ ಟಿವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.